always corrupt. I go always I bring down people. I mean, no, nobody to me in the street and tell me to show love on the media. I'm not going to show no love. I'm going to be corrupt as a motherfucker all the day of my life until I fucking go under the dirt. I'm not going to change. I'm going to do my corruption every day. The people them don't buy love, they buy hate. So I'm going to be a hater every day and disrespect you motherfuckers. Yeah, because you guys don't rate nobody. You guys treat people like dog shit. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to show you guys I'm a real fucking rusty nail. I'm a fucking old told truck. I don't got nothing about me. You get what I'm saying? I'm going to show you guys I don't have no respect for most of you guys. Because most of you guys are some real shit in a bag. Come suck my dick, boy, you know. Come suck my fucking dick. Yeah. Come eat my ball, suck every cock on my life. Yeah. Come name all the cock on my life. Yeah. Alright, this is a girl named Pepper now. So you really, so uno really gift that man. Hold on a Pepper. You missed that man. And then that ever see. You reach late. You reach late, you don't see that one. You reach late. You reach late, you fuck. A late you reach. You reach late, you blood clot. You couldn't tap it. You couldn't tap that one there. Or you couldn't tap that one there. You couldn't tap the line there yesterday. Bad mind, you couldn't tap them gift there when them a come in. Bad mind, you couldn't tap them gift there when them a come in. Drunker, you couldn't tap them. Also good girl, we lick up batty wall. You couldn't tap them gift there. Oh God, you shouldn't can tap them. Cause Wrangler for hungry over here. You couldn't tap them. You couldn't tap them. You couldn't tap them gift there when them a come in. You shouldn't can block a gift them when them a come in, man. Me feel hungry. Me feel go look work. Me a shit in a bag. You couldn't tap them. You shouldn't can tap them, man. Tap them. All bumbuckler, dark shit girl come over here watch my money. You don't get none. You don't have to suck cock. Every cock way over here don't have to suck. Before you get one blood clot 5 bills from me. Every cock you have to suck over here. You think me a rampant, you know? Girl, I love watch man pocket go sell out your pussy and go from here. Yeah. Every cock you don't suck before you get one 5 bills from me. Yeah, you want shit house. Hey, girl, go suck your man, Nicky, about OMG. You hear a girl go come over here and talk about all people gift me. Girl, go suck your mama about OMG. Go lick out Derek Mag and batty hole and come off of my life. You don't want to see nobody win. You don't want to see nobody smile. Girl, go gaggle balls and come off of my life. Yeah, gaggle every balls over here in your jaw corner. You come over here and see woman a gift me. Here what come out of your mouth first. Ooh, people really a gift that somebody. People really a gift handsome gunman and figure it out who kill off Naya. People really a gift them. Who kill off Naya was a TikToker. Naya was a TikToker. People really supporting those blood suckers. Huh? Huh? People really supporting those niggas who kill off the TikToker. So who the fuck is me? Girl, come suck my dick. Come near my balls, root. Because you don't make no sense. You don't make no sense talking to me. Yeah, you don't make no fucking sense. You sound illiterate. You sound bad mind. You guys, I ain't gonna block you. You guys sound ungrateful. You sound jealous of my gift them. You guys sound jealous of my gifts. Yeah. So, you guys still supporting Rosalie, who said that she was gonna analyze the 2 kids them? You guys still supporting Rosalie, who said that, it was on the media, it was on the platform when she was going to analyze the 2 kids and analyze herself and analyze Drake's. You guys are still putting her to #1? Like, really? Bloody hell? Come on. You guys sound illiterate. You sound dunce. You sound like you guys are watching my money. You're watching my money, but listen, my money won't go so easy. You have to be sucking my dick, drinking my cum, and all of those stuff. My ball should be in that drawer corner before you could see my money. Yeah, you have to be eating up the balls. Name up the balls root. Yeah, and then you have prudent piss in your mouth. Have prudent piss in your fucking mouth before you could get my money. Don't watch my money. You're not going to get my money. My money is not for you guys. My money is for me and my princess. You can come on over here, come suck every cock on my live, Come suck my balls. Come, just go suck out my prudent for me. Go suck out my prudent. Yeah, go stick your tongue in my girl pussy and suck it out. Yeah.
Oh.
Come off my fucking life. You guys are some fucking haters. You are some fucking low life. You sick stomach. You guys don't make sense over here. You don't make sense at all. None of you guys don't make sense. Ooh, you're bad mind. Ooh, you're so ungrateful. Ooh, you're this. Ooh, you're that. Oh, who the fuck is you? Who the fuck is you? You're just a fucking shit house. You're just a fucking low life. Just a fucking haters over here. Not want to see me and my woman go to #1. Merry Christmas to you all over here who respect me and my girl. I'm going to tell you guys this now. I see that you guys are some pussy. So I'm not going to play blind. You guys are just some pussies. Yeah. Most wanted, where I'm going to go. When you tell me to go, where I'm going to go. You want me to come out to your house? How much your house you want me to come? Where I'm going to go? You're going to lock off my life? You're going to shut my life off? Huh? That's what you want to do? You guys sound hilarious. Hilarious. You guys sound stupid. You guys sound stupid. Stupid. Fool. Why don't you guys go scam? You don't know how to do scamming? Today is Christmas. Maybe one of you guys are lucky to get a vanilla gift card or a money pack. One of you guys may be lucky to get a vanilla gift card or a money pack today, Christmas. Yeah. Bro, bro, I don't need a scam, bro. I don't need a scam. Bro, I don't need a scam. I don't need a scam, bro. My life, which I'm living right now, bro, I'm living better than some scammers right now. I'm living better than some scammers right now. You know the amount of scammers can do a hairstyle right now? You know the amount of scammers can buy one of these phones which I'm putting on my ears and say, hello,
Never
baby,
disrespect
how
the
are you doing?
scammers.
Huh?
Never disrespect the scammers.
No, we're not disrespecting any scammers, but this
They
nigga is
can
telling
come
me
up
to scam.
anytime. They can come up anytime, you know?
Now tell me about no scammer can come up anytime. Anyone come up anytime, I feed them day that. Now tell me about no scammer can come up anytime. Nobody listen, you know, just like how Google said, boy, believe. If you're a pussy clock, what can I go get paid?
Tell them, guys, show him why not to talk about the scammers chat. Show him why.
Alright, I'm gonna play a song so you could have an understanding. You see Wrangler, remember? Remember? No, they don't know. Hold on. I'll play a squash. I squash you one here. Can never style a banger. Stay first. Can never style a chopper.